For the last few years, the pitch from AI drug discovery companies has been roughly the same. Give us your data, and our models will find molecules faster than your chemists can. This week, one of those companies did something different. Pathos AI agreed to potentially invest more than $2 billion in a drug that already exists. The agreement is with Jiangsu Alphamab, a Chinese biopharmaceutical company. The asset is a late-stage bispecific antibody-drug conjugate developed for breast cancer. Bispecific means it binds two separate targets at once, rather than one. Antibody-drug conjugate means the antibody carries a toxic payload directly to the tumor. Both sit in the most competitive corner of oncology right now, and a late-stage asset in that category is genuinely scarce. Pathos announced a second agreement in the same stretch, a broader partnership with AstraZeneca covering antibody-drug conjugates, immunotherapies, and precision diagnostics. The financial terms of that one were not disclosed. So, two deals, days apart, from a company whose entire identity is its discovery platform. Here is what makes it worth paying attention to. Computational drug discovery was sold on speed at the front of the pipeline. Find the molecule sooner. But the front of the pipeline is not where the capital burns. The expensive failures happen late, in trials that have already consumed years and hundreds of millions of dollars. What Pathos is buying is an asset that has already survived that stretch. Human researchers carried it through the clinical work. The models get applied to what remains uncertain: which patients respond, which combinations hold up, how the next trial should be designed. That is a narrower claim than the original pitch, and a sturdier one. The AI is not standing in for the scientists who produced that evidence. It is being aimed at the decisions that come after it. The thing to watch is whether this becomes the pattern. If AI-native companies keep paying for validated clinical assets instead of licensing their platforms to large pharma, that tells you where these companies now think the value actually sits. Not in finding the molecule, in choosing which one to back. That is a very different business, and a far more capital-intensive one. We track signals like this every week at BioIntel. The brief is free, and the link is below.